Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. In this video, we are going to solve remaining question of chapter 15 Logical Reasoning for class 6. This content is from IMO Olympiad Workbook 2122 MTG publication by Mahavir Singh. Part 1 link is given in description. Please watch video and do like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's start with question number 16. Select the figure from the option which will continue the same series as established by the problem figure. So here in given figure, first figure is repeated here. So second figure will come here. So here C is correct answer. Question number 17. A square transparent sheet with a pattern and a dotted line on it is shown here. Select the figure from the option as to how the pattern would appear when the transparent sheet is folded along the dotted line. So after folding the transparent sheet along the dotted line, pattern A will appear. So here A is correct answer. Question number 18. Group the given figures into 3 classes using each figure once. So here first group is 1, 5 and 6 because all these 3 figures having 2 similar shapes. Second group is 2, 3 and 4 because 2 intersecting lines present in the interior part of these 3 figures. And third group is 7, 8 and 9 because 2 different shapes are there. So here A is correct answer. Question number 19. There is a certain relationship between figures 1 and 2. Establish the similar relationship between figures 3 and 4 by selecting a suitable figure from the option which will replace the question mark in the figure 4. So in 1 and 2 figure, if we remove this part, we will get second figure. So in option 3, if we remove this part, we will get figure B. So here B is correct answer. Question number 20. 2 positions of a dice are shown. Which number will be on the face opposite to face having number 6? So here 4. So opposite to 4, 3 number is there. Opposite to 2, 5 number is here. Opposite to 5, this side 2 number, and opposite to 6, 1 number is here, means opposite to 1, 6 number is there. So opposite to 6, 1 number is there. So here A is correct answer. Question number 21. Count the number of cubes in a given figure. In the given figure, there are 4 layers. This one first, second, third and fourth. In first layer there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cubes. In second layer upper this 9 and 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 cubes. In third layer this upper 15 and this one is additional. So 16 cubes are there. And fourth layer 16 cubes, and total of this is 56. So there are total 56 cubes. A is correct answer. Question number 22. Which of the following options will complete the pattern in figure X? So here option should be like this. So D is correct answer. Question number 23. Select the correct water image of the given figure X. So water image will be like option C. C is correct answer. Question number 24. Find the minimum number of straight lines required to make the given figure. So here outer straight lines are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And inside this 9, 10, 11, 12, then 13, 14, 15, this 16 and 17. So there are minimum 17 straight lines. B is correct answer. Question number 25. A sheet of paper is folded in a particular manner and a punch is made as shown. Select a figure amongst the option that would closely resemble the unfolded form of given sheet. So it will be like this. So here A is correct answer. Question number 26. Select a figure from the options which is exactly embedded in the given figure as one of its part. Option D is exactly embedded in the given figure. So here D is correct answer. Question number 27. Which of the following figures will complete the given figure matrix? So here all figures are unshaded. Here one part shaded and here two parts are shaded and middle line removed. So instead of question mark, this figure will come. So B is correct answer. Question number 28. Select a figure from the options which satisfies the same condition of placement of dot as in figure X. So this dot is placed in some part of circle and some part of square. This dot is placed in some part of circle and some part of triangle, and this placed in only some part of circle. So like this, in option C, one dot is placed in some part of circle and square, the other dot is placed in some part of circle and triangle, and this dot is placed in some part of circle. So here C is correct answer. Question number 29. Select the correct mirror image of the given figure. So correct mirror image of given figure is A. Option A is correct. Question number 30. A set of three figures X, Y and Z showing a sequence of folding of a piece of paper. Figure Z shows the manner in which the folded paper has been cut. Select a figure from the option which would most closely resemble the unfolded form of figure Z. Here option B will closely resemble the folded form of figure Z. D is correct answer. Thank you for watching. I hope you like the video. Do practice well and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.